Hey guys, today you are going to be doing two things. Your first priority is to go to Think Central and to complete your three Think Central digital lesson assignments. If that's all you get done today, that's fine. That is your priority. If you do get those finished early, then hopefully you're going to be able to go to a Gizmos digital lab. Unfortunately, yesterday we figured out that it had some issues, so I'm going to give you an alternative assignment on Google Classroom if that is the case. But I wanted to give you a chance to check out Gizmos, and there's a worksheet that goes with it if you have the opportunity to do that. So first of all, you access, of course, Think Central through Moodle, and it's your 3 lessons should be populated in your things to do list. Okay. If this is the icon, of course, for Think Central. If for some reason when you click on the icon it doesn't go straight to your things to do list and it goes to your login page, then that's okay. I'm going to a little bit bigger for you there. Okay, so make sure that you have it set to country, United States, Texas, Northwest ISD Independent School District. Our administration building is based in Justin, so that's why it says Justin. Medlin Middle School. Click Remember My School so you don't have to do this very often. Then don't type in my email for your username. Type in your email, and remember your email is your first name dot last name at student.nistdtx.org, and then your password is your ID number without any letters. Okay, so if for some reason it sends you to this instead of your to-do list, then this is how you log into it. All right, let's go back to Portal. Okay, so then you have your lessons, your 3 lessons that you need to do. If you finish that, you're going to go to Explore Learning. And if it's working, it should bring you straight into my class. And it should have, let's see, you should see this icon, Energy Conversions is the lab that you're going to do. Okay, you shouldn't see any of this stuff. This is my view. When you click on it, you have a couple of options here. So you should have the lesson material. And so you're going to just click on this and launch the gizmo. It's really important that you actually read all of the instructions on the worksheet. So it takes you through and it tells you about how to work the gizmo. If you just start pushing buttons and try to answer the questions, then it's not going to work. Okay. And then when you're finished, there's a little quiz for you to take, but you need to do the worksheet first and you need to follow the instructions. So there's an information mode and a place where you'll gather information, and there's a path mode, and it'll tell you exactly how to work it. So it's very step by step how you complete this gizmo. Again, I'm really optimistic that this is going to work for you tomorrow, but if for some reason it doesn't, there will be an alternative assignment on Google Classroom. It will be an Edpuzzle, but you're only doing the Edpuzzle if, it'll probably be 2 Edpuzzles. You're only doing the Edpuzzles if gizmos are not working. So I hope this helps. Have a good day. Work hard. I'll see you tomorrow.